Alright, so I'm back at Angry Bird. So Robert said he won that, if you watched 2 videos ago, he won the first tower. So he's built both these, and he's got the super bonus, how many, 2 times? So, if you're good at it, this is a good way. It is a good way to win tickets, because unlike Dave & Buster's, oh, we just got another egg. You are winning tickets every time a coin falls over in the middle, but it is expensive. 10.8, which is the same as Coin Pusher.
I just can't believe how I had no intention of playing it for.
I know. Holly got 3 tribbles. I got this nice stack and no tribbles. Oh my God, you have 30 spins.
I know.
They can't walk away from this. 3 towers? Oh my God. Let me put the
24 tower coins.
He's like, what's happening? I'll watch.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
So every time I record you, it's not actual playing, it's just building towers.
Right.
I want to see you play. So it won't let you drop any coins as it's building the tower. So you just gotta, oh man, just gotta watch the egg spin, the ball spin, and hope it lands on an egg.
24 tower coins.
Did you look at Zombie Snatcher at all?
Yeah. I won that.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go. Oh, egg. Second egg. Right, you gotta wait till it spins to the right, and then it'll stop. Second egg. I'll make you see what's on trapdoor again. Oh, look, there's a Ghostbuster apply. That's I don't know, what is that, an LOL? I'm not as good as Robert, but I'll play this. 4.9. It's been a while. I gotta get into the groove. 2. Oh, 3. Oh, terrible, terrible. That's just 1. That's barely. Oh, there we go. I don't really want the LOL, but I'm hoping it'll grab it. Oh, what was that? Oh my God, that's embarrassing. All right, here we go. Come on. Oh man, I'm usually better than this. All right, I gotta shake it off. 3. Oh, 3. Damn, so close. Oh, and she's a big one. You're gonna need an instant. I need an instant drop. I need an instant drop. Oh my God, it took too long and it did it for me. Oh. Alright. It can't take too long. Oh, come on. Oh man, see, I always... At this point, I could have bought this plush. Jeez. I'm so bad at it. Come on. Maybe she can slide. Come on. Jeez Louise, I spent like 10 tries. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, she's gonna slide. All right. So I won it by default. Not the best. I swear that was way too many tries. But I'm hoping they pull a Ghostbuster. Pull a Ghostbuster or Stay Puff. No, pull a Stay Puff. I want a Stay Puft. I've won like the Stay Puft like several times here, but I could always use another. There's one right there that he should be able to grab. Grab that Stay Puft. Grab it. Oh, no, no. Now he's going over here. There's a Stay Puft right there, but it's probably in a bad spot. Oh, nothing. Give me a break. So then you gotta wait. It opens, nothing drops. So then it'll spin around again. Come on, grab this stick. You can grab this foot right here. Grab this foot. Go down to, oh. No, now you're gonna grab this purple elephant. No. No, I'm taking my card out. I do not want a purple generic Huffalump. Oh well. What a bummer. I won this, and it's LOL. It's some kind of girl toy doll. Anyway.
How many times did it take you?
Like too many. I don't too many. 5 minutes to play. So it grabbed an elephant. I was hoping it would grab a Stay Puft, but it grabbed an elephant.
I saw him in there.
So oh, you got another egg while I was gone. 2 more. You got 13 tries. Okay, 2 more eggs. Come on.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, good. All right, 1 more egg is all he needs. Come on, egg.
We can get the egg.
I know you get 12 tries. You can 11. Sorry, 11 tries.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. I feel like I should walk away because you win when I walk away. All right.
24 tower coins.
All right. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, wait. Oh. This is like roulette with ping pong balls.
36 tower coins.
All right. Come on. 36.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
Oh.
30 tower coins. Press the button to stop the wheel.
Oh man. Does this sound like pirate music at all? I feel like
Kinda, yeah.
I feel like I need it's a bit piratey. Over here.
Coins.
I want to start like doing the pirate jig or something.
No.
Press the button to stop the wheel.
Come on. Oh.
Spin.
Uh-oh.
Got a chance now. Ah, phooey.
So if it gets stuck, it pushes it along.
Phooey.
I didn't know on the trap door you only have so long or it automatically play for you.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it was taking too long. I got a bunch of 3s, but I never got the instant.
It's easy to get thrown off.
Oh.
Not gonna be the one.
Oh, wait. Uh-oh, you broke it. He broke it. All right, I'll go find some guy. I hear it. There we go, there's the error. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so we got the last egg, but it errored out. So what's happened is there's just not enough tokens in the machine. So the repair guy is feeding him to the right. But, oh my God, it did not give it to him. Oh no. Okay, he got rooked.
I thought it.
You did get it. You got rooked. So, or wait, is it giving him 1 more spin? That was your last spin.
That was that.
30 tower coins.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Oh
Well done.
All right. So now it's gonna finish building that up to 720, and he's just gonna wait to make sure it doesn't arrow out.
That sucks. That's alright.
Or wait, I mean, I don't know. I gotta see if that resets to see if you got it or not. He should have got it, but I don't know. He got the final egg, but then it arrowed out and it started over, so I do not believe it gave him the super bonus. sorting her cards while we're waiting for his third tower to build. She got a lot of cards. Are you cashing them all in today to get NFTs?
Yeah.
This is as much as fun as it is to build.
My last trip for this year.
Oh yeah, so you should cash them all in.
We still got, we got other stuff we want to do in December, like
Right.
Six Flags and stuff.
Right. Good point.
All right, so there's 8, right?
Whoa, look at that tower.
All right. Let's see. So it's pushing it forward.
Should
Now
crash the
it's
other
time
side.
to bring it crashing down.
No, it did not. Oh man. Yeah, it did not give you the egg. It's still there. That's a bummer.